Muigana wa maseneta 29 nio maikirie kura kuhitukia mutaratara wa watho wa kuramata ciama cia kiuteti uthomo rita ria keri mbunge-ini. Riri mugwanja nao maikirie kura kuregana na mutaratara uyu guthii ithoma ria keri makienda uteanirio kaimana.
Ayes 29, nays 7, 1 spoiled vote, abstentions 0. The ayes have it.
No mugaru na ndugamano iria yeyumiririe mbunge-ini ya kibururi hindi ya kuhitukio kwa mutaratara uyu. Ciiko ta ici ti neyumirie mbunge-ini ya seneti hindi ya ndereti ya muthenya wa umuthi kuria maseneta maririirie mutaratara uyu na kuruta mawoni mao ngurani kuringana na mirugamo yao ya kiuteti.
Mr. Speaker, having gone through this bill a number of times, I'm left wondering why there was so much hullabaloo in our neighboring house when they were debating this bill.
You know, it's really good, and I'm glad we're in the Senate. Because in the Senate, we listen to each other. Even if it's from opposing politics, we say even a broken clock is right 2 times a day. If it's stuck at 7, it is right at 7 a.m. and it is right at 7 p.m.
Mutongoria wa Rigi Samuel Pogisho no watamanirie mutaratara uyu na wanyitwo mbaru na mutongoria wa anini James Orengo. Makihinyiririo rongoreirio kugacirithia uteti wa ciama guku bururi-ini na makiria gutigirira ngirimiti cia kiuteti ni rithingatagwo.
Now, with the passing of this bill, if it will pass, the distribution of funds to political parties will not be left to the decision of leaders of political parties. It's in the law, and funds will be shared in accordance with the provisions of the law. We should have limited the use of coalition party to presidential election, Mr. Speaker. There are many issues in this bill, but Mr. Speaker, today, because when this bill was being formulated, they thought there would be a challenge or a contest, because maybe one side thought that the ones who need it. I want to say categorically, even as we need it more than you.
My good friend, Senator Cheragay, did not go through the entire report, but if he takes time to read through the report and make an attempt to read how you interpret and apply the Constitution, you will be of a different view. Mr. Speaker, I support.
Thegia wanyiti baru seneta wa Elgeyo Marakwet Kipchumba Murkomen uria gutongoragia maseneta aria mekureganaga na mutaratara uyu. Ahinyiriirie icunjĩ imwe thĩinĩ wa mutaratara uyu wa watho iri mugaru na watho akihinyiriria na ikarugamio na igoti ona ciahĩtũka. Guku makiuga watho uyu thugundĩtwo na itanya ria kũguna gĩkundi kĩmwe gĩa kiũteti.
Mr. Speaker, this bill is a terrible, hopeless, useless bill, Mr. Speaker. This bill fails all tests. It fails the test of drafting in terms of language. It fails the test, Mr. Speaker, of corresponding with other bills, including the Elections Act. It also fails miserably the constitutional test.
If we don't take care and allow registrar political parties to micromanage by producing party lists, most of the people here will become the victims of party primaries if they allow that route to go, Mr. Speaker.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitago Moura, Wagunyam.
Order, Senators.